This version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue with a few simple steps. Make sure you follow everything carefully, because the final step is usually what resolves the problem for most players. Let's get started. Begin by locating the Valorant shortcut on your desktop. This will take you to the folder where the game's executable is stored. Now find the main Valorant application, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, then click Change Settings for all users. Enable Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and from the drop-down menu, select Windows 8. Then check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply followed by OK to save the changes. Next, open the Settings app on your computer. Go to Privacy and Security, then select Windows Security. Open Virus and Threat Protection. And under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. If you've disabled real-time protection or any of the Windows security features, turn them back on. These security components are important for Windows, and in some cases, Riot Vanguard may not function properly if they're disabled. After that, go back to the main settings page and open Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Running the latest version of Windows can often fix compatibility issues that trigger Vanguard errors. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer. Once Windows has loaded, launch Valorant again and check if the error has been resolved. In most cases, the game should now start normally, without showing the Secure Boot error.